when I restored Sunshine Chevy, I wanted to keep her as original as possible, but just make her look fresh and new. So in the interior, I decided to choose the green and the white to match the exterior paint, but nice and fresh. You can see here the colour, the original copper colour was her interior, but I think she looks so much nicer being green now. You can see all the original fixtures here that we're able to keep and reuse. Painted the doors, added some of the fixtures. Few I already had that were original, but a few more we needed to get to finish them off. I kept the old steering wheel and everything on the dash as original as possible, but we had to get a few new pieces in there. I had the bench seat reupholstered. It came up fantastic. It's got the original Chevy upholstery kit on there in the velour, which came up looking really good. And these are the original gun racks, so they definitely had to go back on. We don't have any guns here in Australia, so I use it now as my hat rack, and I think that's a cool place to store my hats. So on the carpet, I really wanted to keep the cost down. So I chose a caravan and boating carpet. Had to make sure there was a little spot there for the master cylinder to access that. I fitted that over the shape on the floor, put in a new boot over the gear stick, and all the pedals came through. There's a few things I've still got to finish off with the carpet, but I'm going to get round that. One thing I did was put in a sound deadener under the carpet to help keep it cool and a little bit quieter. And then I've just got to finish off the edging of the carpet. And I've still got to work out what to put on this step. Whenever I use it, I feel it's slippery, it gets a bit dirty. So I'm going to work out what to put on there next. So the steering wheel is still there, but the horn keeps falling out. So I've got to work on fixing that too. Just another job to get round to. The windows are great. These little windows open and work really well. Brand new visors. Originally there was only one for the driver, but being on the sunny Queensland, we need to keep out that sun, so I got a brand new set of visors there. And the original little rear view mirror is pretty cool as well. I think it's pretty small for a big truck. And the passenger side didn't have the mirror, so I got a new one there. And just finished off those doors to match all the way through. I think she's looking pretty good. She has her own key ring now for that special girl when we go out driving. And the old fuel tank was so rusty and it was leaking, so I had to replace that, and that had to be done before the sound deadener and the carpet went in. But now I think she looks pretty fantastic, and we love to get out driving and have a good time here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates.